Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make churrasco. If you're interested, please keep watching. For this, you're going to need your steak. You're going to need sofrito. If you want the recipe for this, I will post it in the description box below, along with the rest of the ingredients. Worcestershire sauce. I use Worcestershire sauce because I really like it. I like the flavor it gives the meat. You don't have to use this, it's completely optional. Dominican oregano, complete seasoning, and adobo, and sour orange. While the pan is heating up, I'm just gonna go ahead and season the meat. Now with your hands, just give it a good rub and try to get all that seasoning inside the meat. You can let this marinate overnight, or you can just go ahead and cook it right away. Once your pan is hot, go ahead and add the oil to it. And carefully place the steak inside the pan. And now lower the heat to medium. And now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of red wine. If you want, you can add water instead. I'm going to let this cook for 5 minutes, then I'm going to flip it. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let this continue cooking on low heat for 20 minutes. I've been cooking this for about 20 minutes on low heat, and now I'm just going to flip it and let this cook on high heat for another 5 to 10 minutes. And once it turns a golden brown, just flip it again and let the other side brown, and that's it, we're done. If you want, you can also add to this bell peppers and onions. I left mine plain. But there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.